In this huge mine, millions of tons of aluminum are extracted from the depths of the earth with an incredible dance of heavy tonnage machines. First, giant scoops open their mouths and swallow tons of bauxite ore in seconds. Then, giant crushers shatter these giant rocks into fine powder and carry them to further stages with belt systems. These machines create a metal river as if they are scraping the Earth's crust. The whole process progresses with the extraordinary power of hydraulic monsters that turn tons of ore into toys. When the giant diggers get going, the copper veins underground literally gush out to the surface. Powerful drilling machines ruthlessly break up the rocks to release the copper ore, then giant vibrating sieves separate the mixture and hunt down the most valuable pieces. Giant furnaces spit out flames to melt the copper like fire monsters, while with each step the ore turns into liquid gold. Tons of material flow through large casting lines to form solid copper sheets. And this epic transformation sets the stage for the most impressive spectacle in the mining world. In the mine, giant drills dig holes in the hard rock layers to find the gold ore. Then, giant crushing machines pulverize these rocks, and a magical process begins. Huge chemical tanks extract microscopic gold particles from the heart of the rock. Giant filter systems collect this liquid gold in seconds and then turn it into shining ingots in giant casting molds. This powerful dance of the machines turns into a fascinating show, from dust to legendary gold bars in a matter of hours. While the giant furnaces are blazing, the iron ore is thrown into the blast furnaces by big-mouthed loaders. The temperature inside rises to such a level that the hard rocks like stone instantly turn into liquid metal. While the giant furnaces melt the raw ore extracted from underground, streams of metal flow like waterfalls from giant chutes and fill the molds. Every moment of casting is like witnessing the formation of a river of fire. When this raw and powerful birth of iron combines with the incredible power of giant machines, the giant blocks that form the heart of the industrial world emerge. We are after the hardest treasure hidden deep inside. Giant caterpillar diggers break up the rocks with earth-shaking blows and drag out the diamond-bearing ores. Then these rough piles are sifted through giant vibrating separators. Each precious piece is carefully captured. The mill-like crushers crush the ores to release the tiny diamonds inside, and then the heavy-density separators come into play to separate the pure diamond from the other stones. When all these steps are combined with the brutal power of giant machines, the world's most precious stones are born from dust and stone. The giants of the forest are being felled by the merciless blows of the chainsaw monsters. In seconds, giant sawing machines bring down meter-long logs to the ground, and immediately after, fast-working debarkers expertly remove the bark. As the huge logs speed along on rail conveyors, automatic cutters slice them to size. Giant trees that once reached the sky are now being turned into panels, boards, and lumber at a terrifying speed. When the giant cylinders are set into motion, the giant logs are first broken into pieces, then separated into fibers in the grinding machines that rotate like a storm. The resulting soft pulp is compressed by giant press machines. The water is drained off, and then it is gradually thinned on giant rotating drums. These layers of fibers, which are spread out in layers, finally pass between the giant cylinders and turn into smooth and shiny paper. In just a few minutes, the hardwood piles are transformed into dazzlingly white, soft pages. The magnificent trees are felled one by giant cutting machines, and the giant logs are quickly transported to the factory. In the crazy production process that begins here, the logs are separated into fibers in giant grinders and then turned into a foamy white pulp. High-speed press machines instantly thin this pulp and turn it into giant paper strips, and giant cylinders like ovens dry each layer at the speed of light. The giant white rolls obtained are expertly sliced, rolled up, and turned into soft toilet paper like a puff. The threads flow as if they have burst from giant bobbins, and the weaving machines, which work at incredible speeds, weave these colorful wires together in a magical dance. In a few seconds, patterns are formed at a speed that cannot even be followed by the naked eye, and the raw fabrics move in waves on the giant drums. Then, giant presses smooth the fabric, and special rollers ensure that each fiber falls into its place. At the final touch, the fabrics, which are hundreds of meters long, are wrapped on giant rolls and flow out of the factory like a river. The ore extracted from deep underground is transported by giant trucks into the facility, where giant crushing machines crush tons of rock. Then a magical process begins. The crushed ore is mixed with tanks of liquid, and the invisible silver particles are skillfully drawn out and separated. Giant filter presses compress the mixture, then high-temperature furnaces melt the remaining sediment, revealing the pure silver. The molten silver is poured into the molds like a liquid river, and in a matter of minutes it turns into stunning ingots. In this crazy process that starts in the heart of the factory, molten plastic is rapidly injected into giant molds and instantly transformed into perfect handles. Then, high-speed drilling machines drill millimeter holes into each handle, and the bristles are inserted at lightning speed. In the first step, special alloys poured into molds harden rapidly to form the skate bodies. Then, giant press machines mold these raw bodies into a strong and flexible form. Every detail is shaped with millimeter precision. Immediately afterwards, giant motorized strips come into play and high-speed rotating blades open each wheel perfectly. The rubber compounds are prepared in large injection machines, and each wheel is produced with the exact fit, just like a race car tire. The molten plastic beads are turned into a liquid like flame in giant injection machines and thrown into the molds with high pressure. The small tubes that burst in an instant swell with the heat and take the form of transparent bottles. In seconds, robot arms remove each bottle from the mold and line them up on the conveyor belts, and each one is cooled, hardened, and shaped on a line moving at the speed of light. Giant paper rolls are pulled into the machines with a hissing sound and are transformed into corrugated sheets layer by layer at a crazy speed. Hot presses glue these sheets on top of each other and turn them into thick, strong cardboard sheets. Then laser-like cutters shape each sheet to perfect dimensions, and fast-folding machines turn these sharp lines into boxes. In the final move, giant robot arms stack the boxes on top of each other and turn them into giant packages.